I got this for you because I know because I know she is a K-pop fan. Like, she loves to dance to K-pop music. She loves Korean drama. And she supports my channel a lot. If you check the comments, you see her comments there, right? Thank you so much. I got this for you. And
Thank you,
yeah,
sister.
you're welcome. Thank you. Korea is beautiful. Korea is amazing. Korea is anything you can think about that is beautiful. Very beautiful. My name is Precious Osikara and I am super excited to have you here. This is my third year as a K-influencer in the K-influencer Academy, and I want to say a big thank you for supporting me all through the time that I've been a K-influencer. And it is my hope, it is my prayer that this year will be better than last year. All right, we were given mission topic as usual, and this time for the month of May. So it's the K Influencer monthly mission for the month of May. So this video is for that, okay? And the topic is, do you know the map of Korea? You know, when I read this topic, the first thing that came to mind was test. But the truth is, beyond just test, we have feel, we have pleasure. So it's more of like a multisensory, stuff about Korea itself. We are going to be exploring the three parts. Okay, calm down. Now we are going to be looking at the tests because I am going to be having some test challenge. Okay, we'll come to that. Okay, and then we are going to be having the feel and the pleasure part. So the feel and the pleasure part mashed together to give you something interesting. Now come forward. Come. So I am going to be surprising my sister. Okay, I'm going to surprise her with some Korean items. Wow. She is a K-pop dancer. That is, she dances to K-pop music, and she loves Korea just as I do. And that's because it was our mother who introduced us to Korea in the year 2004 through Korean dramas. Okay, now I want to surprise her with these items. I got these items and I want to show you. You can see I also left the card there. So I want to say a big shout out to the lady who sold this for me. You are amazing. You are wonderful. Thank you so much. So in this video, I'm going to box up the items here. All right. I'll be boxing them. Yeah. As you can see, this red beautiful box. It's a gift, right? It's a surprise gift to my sister. So I am going to be fixing them up here. You're going to see the process of me boxing this. And you're going to see when she's going to unbox it, because I want her to unbox it to my presents. Okay, do me a little favor. Could you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment. I need your comments. I need your encouragement. I need it a lot. Thank you. And you can share my video to people so that they can also come in here to watch. See some ideas on how to, surprise their siblings. Or someone they love. All right, let's get started. How are you doing? I'm cool. Yes, I told you that I had something very surprise for my sister. So here is my dancer sister. As you can see, she's gorgeous. She's amazing. All right. Her name is Patricia, and today I'm going to be surprising her with this. So I got this for you because I know because I know she is a K-pop fan. Like she loves to dance to K-pop music. She loves Korean drama, and she supports my channel a lot. If you check the comments, you see her comments there, right? Thank you so much. I got this for you, and
Thank you,
yeah,
sister.
you're welcome. Thank you. You know, yeah, you can unbox it. You can unbox it. You know, I was even hoping to share these own moments with my friends and viewers out there. Yeah. Ta-da! Yeah. So
This is a ramen.
yes, right? Yes. That's it.
Oh, we got this honey butter potato chips.
Yes. The color just, you know, kind of matches.
You match. Oh, we have this drink. It's called a mogu mogu strawberry juice.
Yes, thank you.
We have a strawberry cake here.
Yes.
And we got some cakes here.
Yeah. And I know you love cakes and chocolates and all. Yeah. Okay. So, should we try this, or what do you think?
Okay, let's try that first.
Let's try this one. Okay, let's see if we can get it all open. So, try it and let's taste. Yes.
10 over 10.
Really?
Tastes nice.
I haven't tried this. This should be my first time trying this. Okay. Whoa! Wow! That is so good. It has this potato, you know, the plantain chips we have here in Nigeria. Actually, I'm from Nigeria, for those who don't know, and we have this plantain chips here in Nigeria. So it tastes just like that, just that this is potato, and it has this butter feel. Yes, this butter feel on it. It's cute. Whoa! I'm excited. I'm just so excited. Should we try out the cakes or something?
Okay. So which cake should we try out first?
Okay, yes.
Which one?
So, what do you think, guys? Which one should we try out first?
Yes, we should.
Oh, guys.
Face that side.
Okay.
So, pick a finger. Left or right. Yeah.
Guys. Wait. This one. This one. Yeah. This.
Chose this one, guys. Ta-da!
Okay, let's try
this one.
Yes.
Should I open it?
Yes, sure. Let them, they should see it. Yes.
I don't know if you guys can see this.
Of course they can. Yeah, yes, they can.
So you have the first bite.
Okay. There's this soft, I don't know how to say it, but has this soft feel, butter-like feel. So between the both of them, which one do you prefer, guys? What do you think? Guys? So what do you think? Which one do you?
I'll go the potato chips because I love chips.
I know you do. Okay, let's just see this one. Guys, I love Korean meals, Alright guys, thank you so much for having me here. And to my sister, I want to say a very big thank you. And I love you. Saranghaeyo. Okay guys, I really did enjoy this Korean chips. And did you?
I enjoyed it. I love it. It's amazing. And I want more.
okay, you have everything to yourself. It's for you.
Of course.
Yes. Yes. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who has watched this video, who like stayed through the video to watch it with me. And I want to say a big thank you to my sister, Saranye. Yes. And to my sister, please help me tell these people to subscribe. Help me tell them to like my video. Help me tell them to comment. Like, seriously? Please.
So guys, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe to my sister's YouTube channel.
Yeah.
If you want to see us more.
Yeah.
Because I'll be on your screen more.
Yes.
So please subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.